What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to Make Life Easy with Faith. Today we are going to make a banana smoothie. So as you have seen, I've put a yogurt, plain yogurt, and then I've gone in with oats. I've used only 1 bar of oats, and all these things you can use depending with the amount of smoothie you're making. So I've also gone in with 1 spoon of honey, and I'll also add 1 spoon of peanut butter. Because my yogurt is too thick, I'll add a bit of water. So I've just poured water inside the yogurt cup so that I can wash off all the yogurt that had remained, because we waste nothing here. I'm mixing everything together. I'll let the oats soak for around 10 minutes. So I do it inside the blender to avoid having too many things to wash. Once the oats is well soaked for around 10 minutes or roughly 10 minutes, I'll add the main ingredients, which is the banana. Remember, we are making banana smoothie, and the reason for our banana smoothie is so that we can add weight. Once you've added all the ingredients, blend everything together as I am doing. Do this. I've been doing this for 3 weeks actually, as you can see from my first video of smoothie making, and I have added weight, and everyone is telling me how much I've added weight. So try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so that you get notified anytime and every time I upload any new video. See the consistency on our smoothie. Try it out and let me know on the comment section. Until the next one, I have to say bye.